Baby girl, you stay on my mind, stupid fantasy. I think about you all the time. Do you think about me? Do you think about me? Yeah. Anyway. Hey guys, my name is novice. Welcome to Anything Content, and this is me on the bed again. Because why not? Why freaking not? So today's video, I'll be teaching you how to find your voice as a content creator. And telling you that finding your voice as a content creator is not rocket science. Yeah, is rocket science even a thing? Please let me know in the comment section. But it's not rocket science. It's not something that you have to do voodoo or hoodoo or whatever to get there. So I am gonna be giving you some tips. Let's get started. Number one, your voice already exists. It's there. It is there. The way you talk, the way you converse with friends, the funny jokes, the quirks, they are there. Your voice is already there. You're just uncovering the different layers of it. So your voice already exists. You just think that you have to be another person to become a content creator. You see all these videos where somebody talks different, and when it's time for video, they're like, hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, you think you have to be that. No, you don't have to be like that. You can be me with different types of voices. Don't be like me. I'm very scattered. But so that's what I tell you, that your voice already exists. It's that personality that you hide away, or you've hidden away, or you feel like it is too dumb to show to the public. That's your voice. Number two, you find your voice by using it, not thinking about it. Oh, I want my voice to be high pitched like this content creator. Oh, this influencer talks like this, I want to talk like that. Oh, the way Nara Smith talks, I want to talk like her. And you have all these thoughts in your head, but why are you overthinking it? Why are you not doing it? At least start from somewhere. If you want to switch from this to, hey guys, welcome to my channel, it's good. If you want to switch from that to, welcome to my YouTube channel, my name is novice, and today I went out to plant okra, it's fine. But instead of overthinking it, do it. Do it. You don't get better at something by overthinking it, or basically plunge yourself into it. Moving on to number three, your voice isn't meant for everyone. Just as the same way your content isn't meant for everyone. You are not meant to appeal to everyone. Your target audience, basically that's the first rule of content marketing. Your target audience isn't everyone. I'm sorry I have to use it like this. I hope I don't get sued. But Beyonce is one of the biggest stars, you know, and we still have people that don't like her. She's not for everyone. She has a lot of fans, but she's still not for everyone. So what I'm saying is, you find that voice, people might attack you firsthand, especially when you start posting content. Just get used to the fact that you might be attacked sometimes, you might be insulted, you might get hate comments. Maybe I should do a video on how to handle hate comments. But you might get hate comments. Don't let that bother you, because you still find your tribe that loves the way you speak, your personality, how scattered you are, how you do your get ready with me. You're too loud, you talk slowly, there's still somebody out there that'll be like, oh, I like the way you speak. Don't mind every other person that says, oh, anybody that says that they don't like the way you speak or they don't like the way you dress, they are not for you. Move on. So your voice is not for everyone. Number four, when it comes to finding your voice, you are going to evolve over time. You can move from being this very rigid, stoic person to being very fun, and it's all about evolution. And small tip, when you decide to evolve, right, don't overthink it. In fact, don't even announce it and say, oh, I'm going to evolve my voice from this to this. Or you know what, my content used to be focused on this, I want to focus on. Don't announce it, just do it. People will adjust. People are going to adjust. Whiskey adjusted. Some people say, oh, I miss the old whiskey. Guys, he evolved. People are going to evolve. So the same way, your voice is going to evolve. If you started with one thing, don't think you cannot change to another thing later. Got that? Now the last and final thing I have to say on this finding your voice thingy, it's alright to mimic other creators. It's alright to mimic someone else's style. It's alright to take inspiration and sometimes copy them just a little bit, but don't stay there. Do not stay there. Do not stay there at all. It's good to help you jumpstart your content creator career, right? But if you're now making your whole thing, a year passed, 2 years passed, 3 years passed, and you're not evolving, and you've made it your entire personality to mimic this other creator, what are you doing? So just have it at the back of your mind that if you're starting out and you want to copy how this person is because you're inspired by them, I call it inspiration, you're inspired by them, it is fine. But just have it at the back of your mind that you are going to evolve. When it's time to evolve, when it's time to change, you will know. You don't even need anybody else to tell you. You are going to change and you're going to know it. Don't be ashamed, don't be afraid to change from that other person's personality to finally accepting your own. So these are some of the lessons, tips, or whatever you want to call it, on finding your voice as a content creator and how it is not rocket science. All right, I think I like this bed series. Please let me know if we should continue this bed series because it makes me, you know, fun, jazzy, whatever you want to like to call it. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, I hope my video has been educative, engaging, and informative as always. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.